Do you believe that psychological safety means creating a workplace where everyone's always happy and nice? Think again. Today, we're diving into what psychological safety really means and why it's essential in an AI driven workplace. Psychological safety, as defined by Harvard's Amy Edmondson, is a belief that the environment is safe for interpersonal risk taking. In practice, it's not about creating a conflict free space, it's about building an environment where people can have tough conversations without fear of retaliation or humiliation. In an AI driven workplace, psychological safety is critical. Just as medical errors in hospitals skyrocket when staff don't feel safe to speak up, organizations implementing AI face existential risks when employees can't voice their concerns. Without psychological safety, vital questions go unasked. Is this AI here to eliminate jobs? Are we training our replacements? Who's monitoring these systems? Are we implementing something that is ethical and safe? These aren't just worries to dismiss, they're essential considerations that could make or break your AI implementation. Agile culture and practices can support this, creating a safe environment for AI transformation by focusing on three essential elements: tight feedback loops, experimentation, and continuous improvement. First, let's look at tight feedback loops. Agile practices encourage constant feedback and collaboration, which are essential to create psychological safety. In an AI context, this means regularly inviting team members to share their concerns about AI's impact and to openly discuss any ethical or technical challenges they encounter. When we ask for and act on feedback frequently, we reinforce trust, making it clear that open dialogue is encouraged and valued. Next, experimenting plays a big role in psychological safety. Agile teams approach problems iteratively, fostering an environment where experimenting with new ideas and solutions is part of the process. With AI, this means giving team members space to try new approaches, identify risks, and learn from setbacks without blame. An agile approach treats AI implementation as an evolving process, helping teams address concerns as they arise rather than expecting a perfect outcome immediately. Finally, continuous improvement allows for a gradual, adaptable approach to AI transformation. By adopting an incremental strategy, teams and organizations can adjust to AI technologies step by step, building confidence and familiarity over time. This incremental approach not only boosts team morale, but also ensures that people have the chance to address fears and build on each success, reinforcing psychological safety throughout the transformation. Let's break this down how it fits into four quadrants of control related to psychological safety. First, things within our control that support safety. How we respond to feedback on AI related issues, our openness to admit our own learning curves, and our commitment to learning over blame all build psychological safety. Every time a concern about an AI system is raised, our response either builds trust or erodes it. Next, what's outside our control that supports safety? Some factors, like team members' past experiences with technology or organizational culture, can't be changed directly, yet they heavily influence psychological safety. A culture that values continuous improvement can help mitigate these external factors. Next, things within our control that can undermine safety. Dismissing AI related concerns as resistance to change, punishing mistakes during the learning process, or mandating rapid adoption without addressing fears can severely damage psychological safety. And last, what's outside our control that undermines safety. Hierarchies, titles, and tenure create natural power imbalances, often silencing open dialogue. Even AI itself, with its potential for surveillance or replacing roles, can create pressure to perform rather than learn. This is where psychological safety intersects with Agile's pillar of respect. Respect isn't just about being nice, it's about acknowledging power dynamics and creating spaces for safe interpersonal risks. Agile practices reinforce this respect by encouraging continuous feedback, valuing learning from experimentation, and promoting incremental progress. In a truly psychologically safe agile environment, Teams can openly debate strategies. They can question assumptions, flag potential biases, and push back on rush deployments without fear of retaliation. What does this look like in practice? It's the junior developer who feels safe enough to point out potential biases in an AI model. Is the experienced employee comfortable admitting they're struggling with new AI tools? Is a team member who raises ethical concerns about AI monitoring before it leads to a crisis? Psychological safety isn't about making difficult conversations easy, it's about making them possible. And in the age of AI transformation, these conversations are essential for organizational survival and success. So ask yourself, which quadrant can you influence today? Take a step to strengthen psychological safety, whether it's rethinking your response to concerns, encouraging experimentation, giving yourself and your team room for continuous improvement. Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on building adaptive, resilient organizations in the AI era. Thanks for watching.